Welcome to my channel Online Classroom by Suraj sir. Today we will discuss angle between lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That is a part of class 12th MST CET September 2021 lesson number 4, pair of straight lines. Question is that find the value of k. Find the value of k if lines represented by kx square plus 4xy minus 4y square is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Means first of all we should know that tan theta is equal to 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. When h square minus ab is equal to 0, when h square minus ab is equal to 0, then line will be parallel, or it is also called as coincident. When a plus b is equal to 0, then lines are perpendicular. Clear? So compare with this equation to this equation, that is compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Clear? Then what is the value of a? What is the value of a? K. A is equal to k. Then what is the value of 2h? 2h is equal to 4. 2h is equal to 4. Then we have to find here h is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. Clear? Then what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 4. B is equal to minus 4. Compare with like terms. Clear? B is equal to minus 4. But given condition is that the lines are perpendicular to each other. The lines are perpendicular. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Means condition is given here. A plus b is equal to 0. Condition, perpendicular lines condition, a plus b is equal to 0. Clear? A plus b is equal to 0. This is the given condition. This is the given condition. Then what is the value of a? K. Plus what is the value of b? Minus 4. In bracket minus 4 is equal to 0. K plus minus 4 as it is equal to 0. Then k is equal to minus 4 becomes plus 4. Clear? Next question. Find the measures of acute angle between the lines 3x square minus 4 root 3xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Compare with, once again, compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. What is the value of a? A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. What is the value of 2h? 2h is equal to minus 4. 2h is equal to minus 4 root 3. 2h is equal to minus 4 root 3. Then h is equal to minus 4 root 3 divided by 2, that is 2 to the 4 is equal to minus 2 root 3. Clear? Then what is the value of b? B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. Clear? Then by using the formula tan theta, find the measure of acute angle. Acute angle means यहाँ पे हमें क्या consider find out करना है? थीटा calculate करना है. Now what is mean by acute angle? If the angle is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. When angle is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Tan theta, formula is that tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Formula is that 2 root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Clear? Then tan theta is equal to 2 root of, what is the value of h? Minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 whole square minus a. What is the value of a? 3. What is the value of b? Also 3. Clear? Divided by a plus b. Divided by a plus b. What is the value of a? Again 3. And what is the value of b? 3. Clear? Next, tan theta is equal to mod of 2 root of minus square plus 2 square 4 multiplied by root 3 square 3 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 3 plus 3 6. Clear? Once again, minus square minus into minus plus 2 square 2 into 2 is equal to 4 and root 3 square root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is root of 9, that is 3. We can say that root 3 square of root 3 directly 3. Clear? Then tan theta is equal to 2 mod of 2 root of 4 3s are 12 minus 9 divided by 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Tan theta is equal to mod of 12 minus 9 root of 3 divided by 3. Clear? Any doubt? Then tan theta is equal to root 3 divided by, we can say that 3 root 3 multiplied by root 3. Once again, root 3 multiplied by 3, but 3 is equal to root 3 multiplied by root 3. Root 3 multiplied by root 3 is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to root 3 multiplied by root 3. Root 3 get cancel. Tan theta is equal to here tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. tan 30 की वैल्यू होती है 1 upon root 3. That's why we can say that tan 30. We can write here tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 upon root 3. We can say that 1 upon root 3 is equal to tan 30. Then theta, compare tan theta, tan and theta is equal to 30 degree. This is your final answer. This is all about acute angle between the lines, that is a part of pair of straight line. If you have any difficulty, then comment in comment box. I will explain that topic. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.